Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to connect Shopify to Amazon using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for shopify.com. And then after that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and log in your account. Okay? And then after that, you want to click on this Add Apps option here at the left side of your screen. Now you want to click on the Shopify App Store here at the lower part of the tab. And now let's just wait for it. And then now what I need you to do is to just go ahead and click on the search bar and type spreader. So you want to click on Amazon Importer Spreader Up. So just go ahead and click that. Click on Add Up. And then after that, just go ahead and click this Install App button here. Okay, so now let's just wait for it. And now you have two choices, okay? So you can just go ahead and log in here on Amazon Associates. So if you want that, just go ahead and click on that button. And then what you need to do is to just go ahead and sign up if you don't have an account. But if you have one, just go ahead and sign in by clicking the sign in button here at the upper part of your screen. Okay, but here for the second option, you have this button, which is go to Amazon. So here import any product by simply copying the Amazon product page link in the text box above. Okay, so to do that, just go ahead and click on that button. And then here, just go ahead and choose any products that you want to add. So let me just go ahead and add a random product so that I'm just gonna show you on how to do it. Okay, so let me just go ahead and choose this product. So once you've clicked on the product that you want to add, what you need to do is to just go ahead and copy the URL right here. So just go ahead and copy that and then go back here at the spreader up and paste the link right here. So click on add product. So after that, this product will automatically add on your Shopify. Okay. So now that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.